In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the phone number associated with your Yahoo Mail account. This process is essential for maintaining access to your account and ensuring its security, especially if you've recently changed your phone number or want to update your recovery information. To start, open your web browser and enter the URL mail.yahoo.com in the address bar. This action will direct you to Yahoo Mail's login page. Here, enter your Yahoo Mail username, which is the email address linked to your account. Once you've entered your username, click on the Next button to proceed. Now, it's time to input your password. Carefully entering your password is crucial to avoid any login issues. Mistakes here can prevent you from accessing your account, so make sure to double-check for any typing errors. After typing in your password correctly, go ahead and click Next to continue. Upon successfully signing in, you'll want to navigate to the Account Info section. To do this, look towards the upper right corner of the Yahoo Mail dashboard. You'll see your account icon or your name there. Click on it to reveal more options, and from those, select Account Info. This will redirect you to your Yahoo account page, where you'll need to locate the Security tab. This section is pivotal as it allows you to manage various security settings, including your recovery phone numbers. Once you're in the Security section, scroll down until you find the Verification Method section. Here, you'll see the Recovery Phone Numbers option. To update your phone number, start by clicking Remove next to any outdated or old numbers you wish to delete. It's important to note that you must have at least one recovery method on file. So, ensure you're ready to add a new phone number if you're removing your current one. To add your new number, click on Enter a phone number. Carefully type in your new phone number, and make sure you select the correct country code to match your current location. This step is crucial, as it ensures that the recovery information reaches you without issues. After this, click Next. Now, you'll need to verify your new phone number. You have the option to receive your verification code via WhatsApp or a text message. Choose your preferred method and enter the verification code you receive on the following screen. Finally, click Next to complete the update process. Updating your verification method is an important step in maintaining the security and accessibility of your Yahoo account. By keeping these details current, you ensure that accessing your account is smooth and hassle-free, especially if you encounter any future login issues. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep your information up to date.